sinasabi ko nga, ang wini-welcome namin na tulungan ay yung gustong magpatulong. Kasi meron din kaming mga tinutulungan na pinipilit lang namin, hindi nagsasucceed. So ngayon, ang aming criteria, kailangan sila ang lumapit sa amin at magsabi sa amin na gusto nila kasi ang chances of success ay maganda pag sila yung enthusiastic na by themselves. So after this, when I go down, you come to me. I will give you my calling card and then we will give you livelihood there in Barangay Rainbow, Makati. Okay.
Winner! Thank you!
Thank you. My last question po.
Go, last question.
Ayan po.
Nag-i-enjoy sila sa question and answer.
Hi, good afternoon po. I'm Jara Rojas. Magsa-start kasi kami ng business ng friends ko. I want to know...
In fairness, teka lang, magbi-business ka with your friends.
Opo.
Okay.
Actually, we've worked together before, kaya napagkakatiwalaan ko na naman sila.
Okay.
Tanong ko lang po, how do you get contacts and clients? Lalo na pag bata pa lang kayo, tapos nagsa-start up pa lang.
Okay, how do you get contacts and clients? Let's, Fe.
Ano bang negosyong papasukan ninyo?
Meron po kasi kaming negosyo na resort, pero yung fino-focus po namin ngayon is sa farming.
May resort ka, dear?
Meron po.
Ikaw may-ari ng resort?
Actually po, kami po ng dad ko yung nag-put up nun.
Bakit kailangan mo pa friends mo?
Hindi po. Yun po yung para sa farming naman.
Okay. Fe.
Farming.
Farming.
Agriculture, no? Diyan ng yaman ng Pilipinas. At I think yan ang direksyon ngayon ng government, no? Para ipagyamanin muli ang ating agriculture para hindi tayo magutom. Pero ito hindi lang para sa iyo kundi sa pangkalahatang mga entrepreneurs to be, no? Paano magkaroon ng contacts, paano ka magko-communicate, no? Ngayon, as we've said, andyan ang digital marketing, online available na. Kaya mag-Twitter ka, kaya mag-Instagram ka, mag-Facebook ka. Kasi malawak na ang reach nun, no? Kasi nung unang panahon, although of course, nung time namin, ang tawag namin is, if you would notice, di ba merong, I'm gonna knock on your door. Ngayon, nakakatakot na mag-knock on your door, baka isang bala ka lang, no? Hirap naman. Maski sa noon, we call it cold canvassing. Magda-dial ka, mag-umpisa ka ng 8000001. Di mo naman kilala yung... Di mo kilala yung tinatawagan mo, pwedeng patay na, but that's the courage that you've got to. So, for a day, tatawag ako ng 100, magsisimula ako ng 80001, ginagandahan ko ang boses ko, that's why nahulma ang pagsasalita ko, no? Dahil doon sa lakas ng loob na, hindi ka naman kita, hindi naman face-to-face ang interaction nyo eh. So you've got to be very, very powerful and convincing over the phone. So it's something like, can I have few minutes of your time? Where did you get my number? Actually, denial ko lang po. Okay? So that's one. But I think on top of this is like today, kahit hindi bukas ang pintuan yan, hindi mo alam kung anong papasukin mo, basta pumasok ka. Just go and enter into any world, no, or any congregation, kaya anong meeting yan, lahat ng may opportunity, tapos parati kang madaming daladalang calling cards mo o produkto mo. There was even a time, I remember, may isang ahente noon na ang nagpayaman si Sharon Cuneta because that sales agent was putting flyers all over sa isang mall, mga bumababa. Hindi niya alam, kotse ni Sharon, yung kanyang nilagyan. Pinapasok siya ni Sharon sa van niya. And that was the start of her success.
Okay. Yeah, good one. Maria, very quickly, how do they build contacts? New graduate.
Social media is your social network on steroids. You take your family and your friends and use social media. Very similar to what you said.
Facebook.
Internet, Facebook connects 38 million Filipinos.
Yeah.
And you can actually, I think many journalists now, we don't call our sources anymore.
Yeah.
We Facebook, we tweet. Actually, your generation will find it easier than ours.
Yeah.
Take advantage of it.
Dear, sa Facebook, I'm telling you, ang daming contacts sa Facebook. In fact, sinabi sa akin ni BIR Commissioner Kim Enares, ang dami daw yumayaman sa Instagram online selling she has discovered. Kaya yung online, they've discovered na ang laki-laki ng kita. So start with your contacts on Facebook, your friends, Twitter, yung mga ka-Instagram mo. Sell to them first. O, next.
May question tayo from Tacloban.
O, Tacloban.
Yeah.
Last na natin to, last.
Good afternoon po. I don't want to cry. Pero umiiyak na ako.
Okay lang, ma'am. Sige po.
I'm so thankful that I was able to attend this summit. I just needed this so much. Right after Yolanda, by the way, our business in Tacloban, I have a restaurant, and that was an offshoot of the Go Negosyo held in Tacloban a year ago.
Oo. Nagsara na po.
It was destroyed
Oo.
by Yolanda.
Oo.
And we had a big dream on that restaurant. And our house is in Palo, all washed out. And that is where we cook the food, most of the food, especially if we have catering services. So right now, listening to the speakers, I would say I already have the courage to jump. I am not afraid. But the problem is, I hope you could give me wisdom and guidance. How to start with nothing, as in nothing.
Oh. Alam mo, ma'am, naiyak ako. Pero can we give her a hand? Ma'am, can you stand up? You know, you deserve a hand. You deserve a hand. And alam mo, nothing is an accident. Gusto ko sabihin sa'yo, alam mo ba yon? May dahilan kung bakit dinala ka ng Panginoon sa summit na ito. Dahil gusto sabihin sa'yo ng Panginoon, it is not over yet. Siguro I'll start the local, but let me start with Senator Cynthia Villar kasi she has nothing. Tacloban, washed out. Ma'am, teka lang, gusto mo ba magnegosyo ulit sa Tacloban?
No, actually,
saan niyo gusto?
My husband went to Tacloban 3 times already to see the possibility.
Okay.
Talagang hindi na pwede.
Huwag niyo naman sabihin hindi pa pwede.
Kasi we don't have a house where to live if we go back to Tacloban. And right now, the place, yung restaurant where I'm renting, the owner is going to use it as bodega for their mga gamit sa kanilang bahay kasi nasira din yung bahay.
All
so
right.
right now, we're here in Manila.
Manila. So what you want is practical advice on how to start again, correct?
Yes po. Actually, I already started documenting to go to DTI to get permit.
Okay. All right. Okay, Senator Cynthia Villar, what should she do?
Since ang knowledge mo is restaurant, I would suggest na you go back to what you're knowledgeable about. Kasi alam mo, ang negosyo, kung marunong ka na doon, dapat doon ka babalik kasi mahirap maghanap ng alam mo. Kasi that is the secret of success of business. May knowledge ka on that kind of business. So if I am in your place, I'll go back to food business because that is what I know. And hindi naman kailangan mag-restaurant ka para magkaroon ka ng food business. Pwedeng makahanap tayo na magkaroon ka uli ng bahay kasi marami namang nagbibigay ng tulong na yung mga nawalan ng bahay, magkakabahay uli. And then you start as a caterer, nasa bahay mo lang. Hindi mo kailangan mag-restaurant. Kasi,
No renting. No renting muna.
no
Walang
renting.
rent.
Oo. Kasi marami rin akong nakita na nakakakuha sila ng business na sa bahay lang nila ginagawa, tapos isinusupply nila. Like yung mga, magluluto ka lang and then ipagbibili mo na luto na, marami ding may gusto ng ganun kasi mas mura yun. Oo.
Okay.
So if I am in your place, I would establish a residence and then doon ako magbi-business muna sa aking residence kasi mas practical yon, wala kang overhead, less ang capital. Kasi less ang capital noon dahil pagka nagluto ka today, yung puhunan mo, balik na mamayang hapon kasi maibabalik na nung bumili sa'yo eh. So,
Correct.
hindi malaki ang capital na kailangan. So,
Oo.
maybe our help with you would be maging beneficiary ka nung pag-rebuild ng bahay. Because
Wow!
that is the
Oo. Palakpakan nyo yun.
We'll
Oo.
see who can help you
Yeah.
rebuild your house.
All right. Any other advice from anyone, Maria? And Fe, okay, Fe, you can start. Should she go to a microfinancing facility?
Una muna, sa sitwasyon niya, mahirap mag-isa. Kasi napakabigat ng dinadala. Kasi pero ang maganda, hindi lang ikaw ang Yolanda victim, napakadami. So gumamit ka ng Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, pagsamasamahin mo kayo para magkaroon kayo ng grupo.
Pero may asawa rin siya at
oo.
pamilya. Oo.
Sige, magsama-sama kayo. Tapos, yun nga, as mentioned, ang talento mo o ang king kakayanan mo paggagawa ng pagkain, pagluluto, di ba? Pero pag meron kayong in other words, get organized. Hindi ka pwedeng sumulong mag-isa mo. Pag organisado na kayo, then pwede kang lumapit, halimbawa dito sa Go Negosyo, pwede ba? Maglalagay kami ng produktong para sa Yolanda. So, kaming lahat bibili kasi alam namin yung 5 namin na dagdag doon, makakatulong sa inyo.
Oh.
So, at lumapit ka pa sa sangkatutak na foundations. In our case, we have our Hari Foundation, that we are very, very focused now in helping rebuild Yolanda, no? Mm-mm. So, ang daming Pilipinong gustong tumulong, no?
Oo.
Ang kailangan lang talaga ninyo is marinig kayo.
Okay.
So,
Oo.
magsalita kayo. At tama yan, malakas ang loob mo, tumayo ka, umiyak ka, because you were able to release, but at the same time, unleash your power to rise above the challenges.
Oh, that's true. Very good, Fe. Maria, did you want to add?
Today is 120 days since Yolanda. I just got back last night from there, and it's what I'm told is that the rebuilding is really just starting now. So it may be worth going back to see if there are other opportunities. But I think you should do what Senator Villar says, the advice that you've gotten. But I always think physical and virtual world. And in the virtual world, aside from what she said with Facebook and the other things you can do is do crowdfunding. Try it. Right?
Crowdfunding. Paano yun? Paano gagawin ko?
There's several startups right now. Kiva,
crowdfunding.
Indiegogo, Kickstarter.
So hihingi ka ng pera.
Essentially,
Uutang
everyone
ka.
can invest in you. Imagine if all of us in this room were to give
10 pesos.
10 pesos
Ang yaman
each.
mo, dear.
Right?
Laki ng puhunan.
In Kiva, it starts with $25. There's a Pinoy one now that it's called Spark. There's several things you can do. Look at it. Because
Spark.
if you touched us and we want to help you, how do we do that? It's the power of a
Galing.
story.
Oo. Narinig mo yon? Ang ganda ng mga advice from Senator Villar to Fe to Maria. I hope that helps you, Mama. Okay, last words from our awardees. Doc, can we start with you? Siguro, what can you impart before we go on to the next forum? Very quickly lang to our female audience. Gusto nilang yumaman. Ang puhunan nila, sarili nila, may puhunan is myself. Anong advice?
Katulad ng nasabi ko kanina, ang mundong ito ay maraming oportunidad para sa atin na nasa tao ang gawa, no? Nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa atin ang pagsisikap kung anong gusto gawin natin sa buhay natin. So there are many opportunities. We just have to start today.
Grab it. Start
Yes.
today.
Yeah.
All right, Marife.
This is a rejoinder to what Maria Reza said, that integrity is important. Ang integrity ho is delivering on a promise. So kung nag-promise ho kayo sa inyong empleyado o sa inyong
Sa
mga
supplier.
customers, sa suppliers,
Oo.
gawin ninyo.
Bayaran nyo.
Bayaran nyo, yes. Kung ano man yung promesa nyo. Kasi dyan ho simula ang integrity. Delivering on a promise.
Ganda nun, delivering on a promise. Yati,
Yeah, I think for me it's tenacity. You need to have tenacity.
Ano ba yun sa Tagalog?
So you need to
Tenacity.
like don't give up. You know,
Yeah.
there'll be ups and downs, but do not give up. Have the inner strength to continue.
Oo.
Yeah, and then learn from your experience, and then just keep on moving on and keep on having tenacity. Because you know, in today's world, it's very dynamic. It's quickly changing, and things will change. Things will happen. But if you have tenacity and the inner strength, then you'll be able to really continue to move on.
Oo.
Yeah.
I agree with that. That's the story of my life, tenacity. I'll put Senator and Maria last, Fe and then Alice. Fe, go ahead. Okay.
I will use the word dare. D-A-R-E.
Okay,
Kasi
dare.
dapat daring ka eh. So when you wanna dare, it means you have to start off with the letter D. Dream.
Dream.
Then A would mean aim high.
Galing
Okay?
ah. Inisip
And
ko,
then
oh.
R would mean to respond. Respond to the community at large. Respond to your employees. Respond to sa kliyente mo, katrabaho mo, sa lahat.
Oo.
lahat
Kung anong pangangailangan.
Oo. And then of course, you have to energize others. Kailangan maka-connect ka at kumbaga maano mo siya, mahikayat mo na maging kagaya mo. Kasi pag mas madami kayo, mas malakas kayo, mas madami kayong magagawa.
Okay, ang galing. Alice.
Ngayon, Karen, nakita ko ang daming bata, matanda, na nandito ngayon. And ako natutuwa kasi alam ko in the near future, sila ang makikita kong nandito rin kung saan kami ngayon nakatayo. And kung ano yung narating namin, alam ko mararating nila dahil nakarating sila dito sa Go-Negosyo na to.
Pero alam mo, meron kang sikreto, Alice, na hindi mo binanggit. Mga kabataan, sa tagumpay mo, alam mo what you are patient.
Yes.
Meron kang pasensya. Gaano kahalaga na ang tao para magtagumpay, may pasensya.
Karen, the fact na nandito sila ngayon, nagbigay sila ng oras, nagbigay sila ng time makinig sa amin ngayon dito. Karen, ako talagang masayang-masaya na nakikita ko maraming magiging entrepreneur pa na dadating at alam ko magiging successful dahil sa nakita ko, walang balakid sa kanila na makarating dito at makinig. Marami kasi akong alam na nag-speech kanina na galing from Tacloban, na galing siya sa devastated na isang lugar na nandito. Actually, gustong-gusto ko sana sabihin sa kanya kung pwede pumunta siya sa site ko. There are 4,000 people there na pwede ko siyang itulungan para magnegosyo doon at magbigay ng...
Doon na lang siya mag-supply ng pagkain.
Mag-supply ng pagkain. We need.
Mo?
Imagine 20,000 employees ang nandun.
Teka lang, tumayo ka ulit, dear. Nasaan ka?
Yeah.
Si Madam from Tacloban.
Gusto ko siya pumunta
what's your
ngayon.
name?
Actually, ang
Lumapit
site
ka
office
dito.
namin, napakalapit lang dito.
Oo.
Anytime today, she can go there and we can help her.
Oo. Naku, humahagulgul na.
Ayan, ma'am. Hindi po kayo.
Ma'am, may captured market ka na, yung
4,000
construction
employees.
site, 4,000 employees.
Palakpakan po
Oo.
natin.
Ma'am, baka pumayat kayo sobra sa kakaikot, kakaluto. Alika. Okay. Alika, madam. Oo. Ito. What's your name again? Marivic. Ilan ang anak mo, ma'am?
4.
4 ang anak mo. Pero tignan nyo yun. Ngayon, meron ka ng market. Meron ka ng paglulutuan. Ano ba yung magaling mong lutuin?
Laing.
Laing, okay.
May paborito.
A lot.
Yeah.
So, pwede na yun, Alice, ha?
Yeah, yes.
Kasi sabi ni Senator Cynthia, stick with food. Sinunod niya. Pero may residence ka ba? Saan ka nakatira?
Sa UP po.
Sa UP. Kasi kailangan doon ka magluto. Pero
Actually, kinukup kami ngayon ng UP Diliman together with the UP Tacloban students. Senator, thank you for the food that you sent us and also the items, the relief goods. when you say UP Diliman, that includes our family. We're the only family na kinupkup nila.
Okay, so ready ka na ba maging caterer ng mga construction worker? Kaya na? Oh, alam mo, papayat yung kamay mo niyan, ha? O sige, anong gusto mo sabihin?
Thank you so much po. Sabi mo pa kanina, this is not just an accident, but this is God's plan for us to be here in Manila for good.
Alam mo, itaga mo to sa bato. Yayaman ka. Magiging milyonaryo ka. I am sure. Pakainin mo yung 4,000, 50 pesos per meal, i-calculate mo yun, dear. That's a lot of money. O sige, thank you, thank you. Baba ka na, madam. Oh, I love you. Bye-bye. All right. Oh, Maria and then Senator. Galing naman. Thank you, Alice. That made her day. Go, Maria.
See the magic.
I like
See the
that.
magic. This is a time of change, and you can change what you see in front of you. In Rappler, there are 5 of us above 40. Nearly everyone else is 20-something. Why? Because you understand the technology better than we do. You are idealistic. You don't sleep. Our 20-somethings are amazing, and I know that you are too. So see the magic.
I love that. See the magic. Parang think Frozen. O, di ba? Sabi nga nila, let it go. Let it go. O, tingnan mo, silang natawa, yung mga bagets. Senator Cynthia, last words to close our forum.
Itong i-share ko sa inyo ay personal experience ng isang nagsimula na maliit na lumaki. And ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, kung meron kayong gustong, dun sa who will choose to be businessman or negosyante kahit maliliit, ang una nyo dapat gawin ay isipin, ano ba yung gusto nyong negosyong pasukan? Tapos, kung wala kayong knowledge doon, stock knowledge doon, magpa-empleyo kayo sa ganung negosyo. Doon kayo mag-aral. Kumikita na kayo sa pagtatrabaho, natututo pa kayo. At pag na-feel nyo na alam nyo na yung negosyo at kaya nyo nang gawin, then that's the time you go. Ang chances nyo for success is better because you have the knowledge to do it. That is very important. Knowledge is more important than the capital. The capital will follow if you have the knowledge. Yung mga nagpi-finance po niyan, pag naiintindihan nyo yung gagawin nyo, mas magkakaroon sila ng confidence sa inyo na pautangin kayo kasi alam nyo yung gagawin nyo. It's very important that you know what you want to do and you learn how to do it. Yun po. Marami pong salamat at
Ang
magandang
galing! So huwag kalilimutan, ang kaalaman at kakayanan ay mas mahalaga sa perang puhunan. Ang puhunan ninyo ay sarili ninyo. Thank you very much, everybody. A round of applause to all our awardees. One picture for all of us. And then, nasa na si Love and Michael. Okay. Thank you, Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Uy, wait, pwede mag-vlog?
Sige.
Don't forget to watch. May programa po ako na may puhunan every 4:45 p.m. sa ABS-CBN Channel 2. Ang fini-feature po namin doon ay paano magsimula ng negosyo at paano kayo yumaman. Every Wednesday po yan, 4:45 p.m. sa ABS-CBN. Thank you so much, Go Negosyo, Joey, and Mon for this opportunity.
Ayan po, pipicture po muna tayo. Dahil hindi pwedeng mawala ang picture taking sa mga Pilipino. Gaya ng paalala natin, where 2 or 3 are gathered, there is picture taking. He,